Here, I've got some work I need to study and remember, and I'm going to have an exam on. So it's about safe handling of materials and equipment. So I've highlighted the main topic, and then I've highlighted the most important areas the same colour: manual handling, avoiding injury, and lifting, kinetic lifting. And then I've put other colours for the minor points, but they're still parts that I have to remember for my exam. So I've now gone home and I've written my notes from here onto my notebook. Some people might not like so much colour, and so they might use just plain black or blue. But one thing we need to remember is to write what the real topic is here: safe handling, materials and equipment. And you might notice we could put the date here and the name of the tutor. So if I've put it in this right-hand column, what am I going to put here? I'm going to put the key point. So that might mean that I have to repeat the idea. So manual handling is the key point here. And here I have an example. I've just put manual handling, injuries, the law, avoiding and preventing injuries, questions I need to ask before I lift, kinetic lifting, which is posture, lifting and lowering. So what do I do next? I'm going to revise, so I want to remember what manual handling is. So I'm going to put, what does this mean? I'm going to try and ask questions of each of these main points. Injuries, what sort? How must I lift? How must I lower? Here I've got all my questions, here I've got all my answers. This means I could actually cover this up and practice these questions before the exam and answer them and find the answers here on the right. Alternatively, I could actually cover them up. I've put this sticker the other way round so I can recover or uncover it as I go down. So what does it mean, manual handling? I've got the answer here: lifting and moving by hand. What sort of injuries? Muscles, spinal spine, hernias. Now I might want to be more specific. So here with injuries, I might want 3 injuries. So I'm pushing myself, it mustn't be general. So here we've got 3 answers. I've put 3 injuries here. Here I have been specific. I've said name and date. I want the law, and I've got the answers down here with the Manual Handling Operations Regulations, 1992. 2 separate answers. Here with the kinetic lifting, I've put meaning, and here I've got you need to think about posture, lifting and lowering when you talk about lifting, kinetic lifting. So that, your own notes, can be turned into a useful revision tool.